it's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. How y'all doing? Welcome back for another tutorial. I'm not even gonna give a teaser, except for I'm so stinking excited about this one. All right, let's roll that intro. Another tutorial, and as I had stated just a second ago, I am so stinking excited about this one just because of, you can kind of already see it, just because of this color story we're playing with. Is this not like the prettiest pastel like goodness that you ever did see? Oh, I know. Oh, and then we're gonna play with these cute little these. Oh, this kind of looks like up right now. Oh, it's so cute. That wasn't intentional, but oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't that so cute? Ah! All right, sorry, I'm gushing. I'm gonna gush again in a second because I'm gonna show you what we're using for our materials. I can't, they're so pretty. All right, I'm so excited to get started with this. Let's just jump into it, shall we? The supplies for this tutorial are going to be your vases. These I found at Target in the dollar spot. The small ones were $3 and the larger ones were $5. Some sort of fillers I'm going to be using for Greenery are Italian ruscus, and then I have a boxwood. I actually have 2 of those. And then our Sola wood flowers. This is particularly a dyed assortment from our subscription box that went out this February. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty, aren't they? All right, let's jump into it. Now, before we start the full tutorial, well, this is a tutorial in this tutorial, I want to show you how to stem up a flower if you're new around here. I know that sometimes can be kind of intimidating, but I promise it's super easy. I'm going to be using 18 gauge wire. I prefer to use either 18 or 16 gauge typically. The higher the number, the more bendy it is. So these are pretty decently stiff, that's what she said, wires. I should not have said that, Stephanie. Whoops. So I have my hot glue on. Don't put your wires into your glue gun. I do, but don't. There you go, Simple Simon. I also though, and I didn't do this on that one, but I do also like to get what I call like a pilot hole. So I'll put the wire in first without any glue. So I twist a little bit, push, don't go too far, it'll go out the end. Once I have a hole in place, then it makes it a little bit easier with the hot glue in place so that I'm not fumbling around and possibly gluing my fingers. There we go, Simple Simon, you are done stemming your flowers. Now let's get to making the most adorable centerpieces I think I've ever made in my entire life. Am I exaggerating? Maybe. I don't think so. I don't think so. All right, let's jump into it, you guys. Hey guys, we're back to make this wonderful arrangement, and I forgot the floral foam in the supply list. Also, fun fact, again, my camera went into slow mode. Slow-mo mode. Say that like 5 times fast. But I couldn't because I was going in slow-mo. I don't know what was happening, so we're gonna just roll with it. I'm going to show you what we're doing, and I will pipe in randomly if there's something that I feel that we need to talk about. But otherwise, enjoy the tutorial and the beautiful music we have playing. Aren't these houses so stinking cute? Also, I don't know if I mentioned it in the, I did, during the supply listing. The flowers that we're using are from our subscription box. And if you didn't know that we have a subscription box, we do. We actually have 3 of them. And the one that I'm working with is the dyed subscription box. But if you also get the Stash Builder Plus, you can also get those dyed flowers along with some raw flowers and greenery in that particular box. So check those out if you're interested. Right now I'm dropping the floral foam into the container. I am not going to be gluing in the floral foam because I want to be able to use these as planters at some point possibly as well, because that was actually what they were intended for. They've got little cute little drainage holes at the bottom. So we're gonna just pop our floral foam in there and then we'll build our arrangement from that. So as normal, we're gonna start, well, mostly normal. We're gonna start with our greenery first. So I'm gonna be using the boxwood, and we have 3 different houses. I'm going to use the boxwood in all 3 so that there is some flow of consistency. So I'm separating out all of the greenery. I'm gonna take my handy dandy clippers and we're just gonna clip off each individual stem. I'm also pushing up all of the greenery so that it's sitting up at the top, and then I have more wire available so that I can put it into the floral foam. For this particular house, I'm doing 3 sprigs of the floral foam, boxwood, spread throughout, and now I'm getting out the Italian ruscus. Yay! That's like my favorite greenery. I only have 1 stem of that, and I want to use it in all of the different houses. So I think in this one, if I remember correctly, I think we use 2 of them, and then the rest, we use 1. Don't hold me to that. We'll find out together, because I'm voicing this over in real time. So pop those in. Again, we're gonna speed this up a little bit and listen to the lovely music. This time around, I am going to put my filler in as well before I put in the flowers. Sometimes I put this in last, but for this particular arrangement, I did decide to put it in before I put in all my flowers. I'm using the tiny white filler, I believe, and there's 3 of those going in this particular one, and then I will use a little bit of it sprinkled throughout all of the rest of the projects. Freaking, how cute is that little house? I am considering this particular arrangement to be more of a forward facing, but the back also has cute little windows. Look at that. So we want to add a few flowers, but I'm not going to put as many down at the base of the particular piece, just because we want the flowers in the front, what I'm considering to be the front. The purpose for this particular set of 3 is actually to go up on my fireplace. I can't remember if I told you guys that or not, since I might have while it was being slowed down, and then my voice does, it's a long story. Anyway, I don't need a lot of flowers in the back. I want them mostly in the front and on the sides, so that's what we're doing right now. On to the next adorable little house. Oh my gosh. So 2 pieces of the Italian ruscus, also scooting everything up, and I like to have those go off on the side like little piggy tails. How cute is that? So I'm gonna stop talking now, I think, for a little while. We'll go through the rest of the pieces, and as always, if you have any questions, just drop them down in the comments and I will answer those as soon as possible. Enjoy the rest of the tutorial, you guys. And to throw you all for a loop, look what we're gonna do. Do you see it? Do you see it yet? We're putting the filler in first, the little colored bits and bobs instead of the greenery up front. Why? I don't know, I just felt like it. So that just goes to show you don't always have to go in the order that I go. There's lots of different ways to put a piece together. I just usually like to put the greenery in first, but yeah, I threw us both. Us both? Hopefully there's more than just you and me watching it, but you know what I mean. I threw us all for a loop. You guys, we have not 1, not 2, but 3 adorable houses. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. Look how cute this is. Oh, yep, we're gonna show it off a little. All right, you guys, so I need to just say a couple of things about this tutorial. Technology was not in my favor. We're gonna figure this out. I got a new camera and it does things and I don't know how it does it. I don't do anything else but turn it on, but things are happening. So we're gonna figure that out. I apologize for the second video that had to have a voiceover. It just had to be done because, as you can tell, I'm in a different outfit. I am a hobbling mess right now. I actually hurt my back really bad about 2 days ago. And it was just brought up that there was issues with, as we're editing everything, that there's issues with the video that was made. So that was lovely. So I need an outro because there was no sound to the outro. And I don't feel I'm not camera ready in any way, but that's all right. We're gonna push through because that's what you gotta do on certain days. So let's wrap this up, shall we? Because I need to go get more ibuprofen and get back on my heating pad. So, you guys, how stinking cute! I can still be enthusiastic even in pain. How cute are these? Oh my gosh. I love them so much. I'm so excited to get them over on my fireplace. I'm thinking either fireplace or one other spot. This might be a continuation. We might do a whole like decorating my house with spring florals, maybe. We'll see. We'll see if that happens. I have an idea, so it might happen. So if you're interested in that and want to see the upcoming tutorials, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell to find out about the 150 style Sola wood flowers, along with craft supplies and greenery, along with those subscription boxes. Go to ohyourlovely.com. But before you run off, hold up. Let me give you a coupon code to use. Except for the subscription boxes. You can't use the coupon code, unfortunately. Don't come at me. But use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first order. All right, you guys, have a great day. I will see you super soon, hopefully not in pain. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.